All right, hey, what's up, you guys? Today I'm gonna be working on the Civic a little bit. We're gonna be installing the Clutch Master 725 twin disc clutch, along with the 4-piston Diamond Claw high friction spacer. So pretty much, this is added security for your crank, because sometimes with the OEM bolts, the bolts will back out, and actually the flywheel will shake a little bit, causing it to friction weld to the crank, and you end up losing your crank and ultimately tearing apart your motor. Well, with that, I also got 4-pistons flywheel bolts. They are an ARP bolt, and you torque them to 130 foot-pounds with no Loctite or anything. This one sure higher clamping force, so you don't have to worry about your flywheel backing off. So once we get this clutch on and all set, we'll update you, and I'll get this transmission mounted on the motor.